Biology 9700, paper 4, variant 1, May June 2024, question number 9 and 10. And question number 9 is the hurricane ladybird Harmonia exirids is an insect that shows discontinuous variations in color pattern and continuous variations in body size. Within a species, the variation that is observed for a particular characteristic can be described as discontinuous or continuous. Discontinuous variations has a different genetic basis from continuous variations. There are two differences between discontinuous variations and the continuous variations other than having a different genetic basis. So, in this question, we have to compare between discontinuous variations and continuous variations. So the discontinuous variations have few genotypes. They show few genotypes. So we can draw a line between or without that. Discontinuous variations have discontinuous variations have few phenotypes, whereas continuous variations show many phenotypes. You can say a range of phenotypes, or they are controlled by few genes. Discontinuous variations are controlled by few genes, whereas continuous variations are controlled by many genes. The discontinuous variations are not modified by environmental changes, whereas the continuous variations can be modified by environmental conditions. So the exposure to sunlight can cause or can change the color of the skin, or the darker skin will be as a result of this more exposure to sunlight. Next question is 9.1 shows three ladybird pat patrons seen in age Xeridis and the percentage of each in a population. You can say color pattern conspicua 5% and stabilis is 13 and zucchinia is only shown 82%. Highest range of this type of ladybird beetle suggests the genetic basis of the variation in color pattern in age Anirides. So you can say the different effects, different things can affect them. So you can say here in this case, you can see the different percentages of different color patterns. So we can say that one or two genes controlling the color pattern. It means as it happens in continuous variation. So, so different alleles will affect this color pattern. Or sometime the process of epistasis can happen. And what is epistasis? Epistasis, you can say, is it phenomena in which you can say the expression of one gene is modified by the expression of one or more other genes. So in this case, the process of epistasis can be observed. Next question. The body size of the adult H. enneredes varies from 5 centimeter to 5 millimeter to 8 millimeter. Adult ladybird do not grow or change size. Uh, Stay to environmental factors due to which the this color pattern can be changed. So here we have to the high temperature. The environmental factor can be the temperature, or you can say the egg size. So it will be these two environmental factors can affect the adult body size in age, any radius. Question number 10. And question number 10 is humans detect the sweet taste of sucrose sugar using chemoreceptor cells in taste buds or the tongue. The red admiral butterflies Venezia atlanta detect sucrose using chemoreceptors cells located on its antennas on its tarsal feet. The mode of action of the chemoreceptors in V. atlanta is similar to that in humans. 10.1 shows the locations of the chemoreceptor cells on V. atlanta. Uh, you can see, guys. Describe how the presence of sucrose cause an action potential in the sensory neurons associated with the chemoreceptor cell in V. atlanta. Now, students, we have to describe about the how the taste buds can detect the taste, whatever we eat, whatever is on our tongue, it is sensed by the taste buds. So, different five types of taste buds are there, you know. So, what happens when it happens that when sucrose is binded with the receptor cells, or the taste is sensed by taste buds. So the sodium channel gates open and sodium ions enter and in the sensory zone. So the depolarization of the membrane will stimulate the channel proteins to open for calcium ions. So calcium ions will stimulate the movement of vesicles and release neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitters, we know the chemical messengers by exocytosis. And if this stimulation is above threshold, impulses travel to the brain along the sensory neuron. So it was all about question number next. Okay. So it was all about the question number 10. We have completed the whole paper. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel to watch more videos about your syllabus and past papers. Thanks for watching.